This is the AssemblyBandit, and here's just an update on what I've been working on. So here's AssemblyBandit.com, my work in progress website. The latest thing that I got up here is the updated image converter for iViewer, and I'll make a video next going over that. But basically, iViewer itself is an app for the TI-84 Plus C Silver Edition that lets you view images and stuff. And I think the old image converter only worked on 32-bit operating systems, on the 32-bit version of Windows. The next one has both 32-bit and 64-bit executables for Windows. So hopefully it works on all computers now. Another thing I wanted to talk about was my next game coming out for the TI-84 Plus C Silver Edition. I don't want to give out the name or anything, but it should be out by the end of next month. It's running off the Code Zombie engine, so it should be a pretty cool game. I'm also working on a game for Android, Cooking Bandit as it's called right now, but I think I might end up calling it like Hamburger Bandit or something. I'm not sure yet. But basically I just bought some assets off of Unity's asset store, and here's a demo of it right here. So here is the first video of my tutorial, my Z80 tutorial series. I think out of the 3 that I made, and I just didn't like them. They were taking way too long to make. My next goal, my next plan is to just make a PDF, Z80 tutorial PDF format, and then just have little helper videos to go over some of the harder concepts. I think that'd probably be the best way to go. I'll have the PDF with these little helper videos that you can click on in the links in the PDF, and it'll take you to the YouTube video where I further explain a concept or go over some theory or something, and that'll be the end of it. And then after that, I'll make a I wanted to make a program with me series where I would program a game from start to finish, and you could just follow through the videos. Now, obviously, these would be long videos. I would try to cut them as short as possible, but in the end, they'd probably come out long anyway. And that's where actually the game Stacker came from originally. It was supposed to be one of the tutorial games, but it didn't cover everything that I wanted to cover. So I just put the game out, and that was that. And then I started off with Whack-A-Mole, but then Whack-A-Mole I sped through designing the game, designing the graphics, when I should have obviously, I should have showed exactly what I did in the Paint program. That way people starting off from scratch know exactly what to do, and it'll help them out. Not only that, I completely missed the parts where, like, I added stars in it eventually, because you obviously had to know where you were hitting when you were hitting the buttons on the calculator. So I wanted people to know where they're hitting, so I added stars to show you when you hit a mole or whatever, or when you just hit the ground. But yeah, that's not finished yet. I'm going to delete that other video, and I'm just going to start back from scratch. And this little video tutorial series I got going on, that's that. It's just going to be deleted, and I'm going to keep those images in the background that you see, because I did like the way I was going with that. I liked, like right here, I was mainly just giving it an overview, and I think after this I went over the math of it. Yeah, I think I just started going over number system, stuff like that. And then that's about as far as I got. Anyway, that PDF tutorial series should be done eventually. The last thing I wanted to talk about was subscribers. Now, if you subscribe to me and if you have videos, I do check them out and I do subscribe back to you. But if I don't subscribe to you and you want me to, just send me a message and I'll subscribe to you. And if you want me to check out a video, just send me a message and I'll check out your video too. And that's about everything that I wanted to cover. After this, I'm gonna start on the iViewer image converter tutorial.